Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry chicken. We'll cover preparing the chicken, blending aromatic spices, and simmering everything to perfection. This recipe is straightforward, yielding a rich, flavorful meal in about 45 minutes. You'll learn to create a delicious, comforting dish that's perfect for any weeknight dinner. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade curry. First, prepare your chicken by cutting it into uniform pieces, about 1.5 inches. Next, create your spice blend using 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a little cayenne. Marinate the chicken with some of this blend and a tablespoon of yogurt for 20 minutes. While that marinates, finely chop your onion, garlic, and ginger. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot and sauté your chopped aromatics until fragrant. Stir in the remaining spice blend, cooking for about 1 minute to release their flavors. Add the marinated chicken, browning it for 5 minutes on all sides. Finally, pour in 1 can of coconut milk and 1/2 cup of chicken broth, then simmer gently for 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Once your curry has simmered, taste it and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro or parsley for a burst of freshness. Serve this delicious, comforting curry chicken over fluffy basmati rice or with warm naan bread. For an extra touch, garnish with a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a sprinkle of chopped green onions. Enjoy your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.